Welcome to Dental Occupations. I'm Ms. Rusnock and I'm the dental instructor here at RMCTC, and I have a question for you. How many of you have teeth? I know it seems like a silly question, but it's really an important question here in Dental Occupations. If you answered yes to that question, which I'm pretty sure you did, I'd like to tell you that that means job security. We here in Reading, Pennsylvania are not the only ones that have teeth. People all around the world have teeth, and we're going to need dental assistants, dental hygienists, and dentists to help those people keep their bright, white, beautiful smile, or help them achieve a bright, white, beautiful smile. And this here in Dental Occupations at RMCTC is where you're going to learn all of that important information. So come join me and I'll tell you more about it.